In this video, I will show you how you can use our quick recorder for recording your meeting. So you find the recorder right here. You just click on it. You can change the name of it if you like. You can choose in what folder you want your recording to end up. And then you can just start record. As soon as you see the waves, you know the recording works. Then you can pause it, and then if you click on the recording again, it will continue to record. Afterwards, if you like, you can do some advanced settings. For example, you might want to have it translated into another language, but if you have automatic, it will detect the language you are speaking. You can also choose number of speakers from this meeting. When you're done, you just click on upload. When your file is uploaded, it will end up in the transcription queue. When your transcription is done, you will get an email notification saying that it's done, and then you can start working with your file. Now I want to show you a trick. If you start a recording and you are recording a meeting, and then when you're done, then you might end up like this. And in this process, you might think it's gone. But if you click on the quick recorder again, it in most cases still is here. So it's stored locally in your platform. So you could either delete or now you can upload it. But before you do that, you can download it so you have it locally, the audio file locally on your computer, and then afterwards you can just upload. And then it ends up in the queue.